playing this new game that's called Garden Horizon. So this is just like Toa Garden, but graphics is much better. So
2 hours later.
sorry, I have to eat. Subscribe. Bro, I forgot the fucking bro. Bro. TP Lord. Build the keeper. I want to kick you ass up, you beat. Buy some onion and carrots. So if you can hear me because I do the freaking mic because I'm off, bro, and I can even like stream because bro, so this is really hard to solve. So I have to put my number in. I put my number. So it didn't even give me anything. Bro. Bro, listen. Bro, there's the onions. Why can't I put this Google? Bro! This game is broken. Bye guys, look. This is why I end this freaking video. So don't forget to smash like and hit subscribe. Bye.